this video, we'll explore different methods to use your iPhone as a USB drive. Part 2. How to use iPhone as USB drive with iTunes. Connect iPhone via USB. Open iTunes. Click device icon. Choose File Sharing. Select App. To transfer to iPhone, click Add File or Add Folder. To transfer from iPhone, select File, click Save to, and choose Computer Location. Part 3. How to use iPhone as flash drive without iTunes. Way 1. Use iPhone as USB flash drive with Assistant for iOS. Hot. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a leading iPhone transfer and manager tool, catering to both Windows and Mac users. Below are the steps to use Assistant for iOS to treat your iPhone as an external drive. Step 1. An Assistant for iOS. Step 2. Transfer data from iPhone to computer. Step 3. Transfer data from computer to iPhone. Way 2. Use iPhone as flash drive with Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app and log in with your Google account. Click the plus icon and choose Upload to select the files you want to upload. Once uploaded, visit the Google Drive website on your computer to download the files. Way 3. Use iPhone as USB storage with iCloud. On iPhone, enable iCloud Photos in Settings. On computer, sign into iCloud. Click Photos. Select and download files using the icon or download option. Way 4. Access iPhone as drive with File Manager. Download free File Manager from App Store. Open, swipe row for more, or hold icon for share in grid mode. Share via email, cloud, AirDrop, or iOS 8 extensions. Create folders, add photos, videos, notes, voice memos to iPhone. Way 5. Use iPhone as hard drive on Windows using Files Explorer. Connect iPhone to PC via USB. Open Windows Explorer from Start menu or taskbar if not automatic. Find iPhone under Portable Device in this PC. Click to view contents. Access internal storage. Choose photos and videos for transfer.